everyone, I'm Kaye and welcome to another Boxycharm video. So today I am reviewing the March Boxycharm base box and we have some goodies. I think this might be one of my favorite boxes yet. So let's just go over everything that I got. The first thing on here is the Lime Crime Venus 3 eyeshadow palette, which I'm wearing right now. It's beautiful. I love like these purpley mauvey tones. I just think it's so fun and pretty for spring. And I like how the eye look turned out, which I'll have a tutorial and everything on that. So that is worth $38. Keep in mind the entire box is $25. So already you've paid for the box, or like you've got and it's worth. So the next thing, which I was so excited about this was what I picked for my box for this month. It's the Glow Recipe Banana Souffle Moisture Cream, which I put it on last night and this morning. We're gonna have to see to make sure it like doesn't break me out or anything, but it smells like bananas. The texture of this is a lot like banana pudding, surprisingly, and it does smell like bananas, but I feel like it's not too strong. It reminds me of the smell of like a banana Laffy Taffy, or honestly banana pudding with like vanilla wafers. That's what I think of. So I was really happy about that, and I've used it so far and it just feels really nice on the skin. So I like that a lot. I love Glow Recipes products. I've tried quite a few of theirs now and I just really like the brand. I think they're great. So that is worth $39. And then, so that's a 1.7 ounce. I think that's like pretty standard with moisturizers, and this is just so cute. That little clear bottom, it almost reminds me of a crystal ball. I think it's so cute. The next thing I got was the Maven Beauty Rose Water Setting Spray. This is the box for it. I already took it out. I think it's funny that it's orange. Like I would expect red for a rose or like maybe pink, but they were like orange, and I'm like, all right, go you. And so that is worth $22. I guess I should have read the descriptions, but like this claims to make your makeup last and prevent smudging for up to 16 hours. I feel like honestly, setting sprays don't really do that. Like I feel like if you wear a long-lasting foundation and powder, like I use setting spray more as like a fixing mist, just to like not look powdery and just kind of make the makeup look more natural, like as far as like finish wise, and just like melt into the skin more. That's just my thing with them. So I don't really expect them to last that long, but I mean, we'll see. I also got a Viseart, which that's how you say it because I looked it up on Google. It's like Viseart. Viseart. It's like how you say it in French, because I thought it was like maybe Viseart or yeah, I didn't know. So it's Viseart. Seamless eye primer, so it works with all eyeshadows to ensure crease-free and vibrant wear, which I wore it today, and at first, I don't normally like clear primers, which is what this is. It's like very silicone-y, so once you put it on, it feels kind of like slippery, and I was like not really sure, but then it dried down to a nice finish, just like matte, and the eyeshadows look pretty vibrant. I guess I should have tested them out separately, but I was like, I got it all in the box, so let's just do it together. And it is $24. I got a Seraphine Botanicals Apple and Balm Glow Lip Mask, which I tried this out last night, just put it on, and my lips felt really good. Like what I'll do is I'll put lip balm on before bed and then just really massage it into my lips for a minute. I feel like that's the key, where like if you're dry or if you have issues with, you know, flakiness or dry skin, really anywhere, under the eye, on the face, on the lips, just really massage it and work it in. And that, I think it's just because you're really working it in rather than just like sitting it on and being like, okay, absorb now. It like doesn't do as much. So when you massage it in, it's like working the muscles. I feel like it like, I don't know. I don't know the science of it. I just feel like it works better for myself. So just thought I'd share that with you guys. Now let me grab a calculator and add that up, because I am not a math genius. So like I said, the Boxycharm box is $25. Okay, so the total amount for this box for me was $148. So that's a great price. That's one of the reasons I love Boxycharm, is you always get what it's worth. Like there are times where you may not get what you like, but for the majority of it, I typically like the stuff that comes in my box. So if you've been wanting to try Boxycharm, try it out. I mean, I'm not an affiliate or anything with them, but I've just liked my experience with them so far. I like that I can pick products or like pick a product that goes into my box each month. But yeah, so I am going to show you how I applied the eyeshadow, what I thought of it, and let's just go into that. So I apologize, this video is really late. I'm also testing out some new lighting. Let me know what you guys think. I was testing it out and like I took some selfies yesterday and I really liked how it looked, but it's gonna take me a minute to get it right with the camera. But I mean, as far as what I'm seeing on the viewfinder, it looks really good, but we'll see. We'll see what happens when I edit and stuff. So I have my foundation and concealer on, and also some bronzer and cream contour. So we're just gonna get into it. So I'm going to use the Viseart Seamless Eye Primer first. That's just right here. I hope it's not clear. We're gonna see how it goes. I love the Viseart eyeshadow palettes. I bought some from Boxycharm and I love them. They're just so amazing and incredible. Okay, so it's clear. I'm just not a huge fan of that. Yeah, it just feels super silicone-y. I don't love clear eye primers because I feel like a lot of people have discoloration on the lid, but you don't really want to use concealer, I guess, underneath. Like, there are times when I've mixed concealer in with primers. You just have to make sure it's not like a hydrating primer or anything like that. So this is, like I said, silicone-y. It feels very slippery. We'll see how it performs with the shadows though, but I figured I'd just test this out since I have it. Okay, so now it's kind of getting to a tacky place. So the palette is very cute. I haven't tried any of Lime Crime's palettes actually. I tried the dupes when Shop Hush was still a thing. If you guys shopped on there, let me know. I loved it. You were able to get like a lot of dupes, like Bad Habit Beauty, for like high-end products, and like sometimes they were honestly just as good or sometimes even a little better, and sometimes they were just complete crap. So we're using this one today, so a real Lime Crime palette, which is kind of funny. And here are the shades. So they're really pretty. You have like this nice satiny purple shade. You have like a nice dark brown, pinks, like this cool grayish purple shimmery shade. Then you have this shade called Rapture, which is like a pink shade with blue reflect in it. Heavenly is like a gold with some pink in there, like pink reflect. Beam is like a really pretty lavender and almost like silvery gold flecks in there. And then Dream is just like a nice lilac color. I guess I didn't have to explain all those to you, but I just wanted to explain because sometimes lighting always looks different and stuff. All right, so I am going to go in with the shade Bliss right here. And we're just gonna pop that in the crease. Also, the primer dried down. It's not tacky at all whatsoever anymore. Just thought I would mention that. Ooh, wow. Pretty pigmented. That's also different than I thought. I feel like sometimes it's hard to see the true integrity of like the color or what the color actually looks like when there's a colored backdrop. Like sometimes it can be a little deceiving with how colors go on. But so far, very pigmented, really pretty. So I'm gonna take the shade Paradise, which is that nice satiny, bright purple, and put that on the inner and outer corners for that halo eye effect. And then I'm just going into the crease so it'll match up with the other side. And then going on the inner third. Blends nicely. Like typically the key I feel like with a purple that blends well is having one with shimmer. I also love purple with my dark hair. Like I love wearing purple and stuff because I felt like when I had red hair, wearing purple with it just looked a little too extreme. Like I could do it with extreme makeup looks, but like not day to day, you know? I'm gonna take a little bit of the shade Dreamy, the lilac shade, just to blend the two, the crease shade and that shimmery purple in together. I'm impressed with the quality so far. And then as far as the shimmer goes, I feel like I kind of need to swatch them. So I'll swatch Beam, kind of like iridescent. Hopefully the light's like not too bright. See it? And then I'm gonna swatch Heavenly, which kind of has more of like a pinky sort of reflect. And then Rapture. Okay. So I feel like out of those, I'm gonna take Beam. The shimmers feel like a little dry, like they don't quite feel like the right texture, because there is such thing as like a good dry shimmer, like when they're a little more textured, like you have the nice like glitter, like a pressed glitter almost. But I'm gonna take that Beam shade, just pop it on that. Ooh, so that actually looks really pretty. I was actually debating on bringing that Paradise All Across before putting this on because it looked more sheer, but it's really pretty. So it's more of like a sheer wash, I would say. Like, it's not super pigmented. It's more of just like the reflect that you're seeing. You're not really seeing a ton of pigment, but that looks really, really pretty. So I've been posting a lot of, I'm just gonna take Paradise on the bottom mixed with a little bit of Dreamy in there. But I've been making a lot of YouTube shorts because that is what YouTube has been pushing recently. So if you've seen like, that's the main notification you're getting, it's because that's what YouTube is pushing right now. So I basically took every like Instagram reel or TikTok I made and posted it just to kind of see how they would do. And they're getting more views than my regular videos would. So it's helping get some traffic to my channel. I also gained, I think I was at 151 or 152 subscribers before I posted them. And now I'm at 170 at the moment. So it's helped a lot. So that's why I'm posting those. I'm trying to post one of those almost like every day is my goal. We're just gonna kind of see how it goes, and then I'm still going to be posting like 1 to 2 normal YouTube videos a week. But yeah, I just wanted to see how those went and if I could possibly get some more subscribers from that, just because it's, I don't know, YouTube just isn't like pushing smaller YouTubers videos as much, unfortunately. So yeah, I'm just like pushing out the shorts. So I'm gonna take the shade Rapture. But yeah, I just wanted you guys to know that I wasn't just like disappearing for good from like normal videos. So that's pretty. It's not exactly a highlight, but it kind of works with the look. And then I'm gonna take a little bit of the Beam shade we used earlier and just on the center of the bottom of the eye, just to kind of give like a nice top so it matches the bottom. And then I am going to finish the other eye, put on some liner, mascara, all that, and then I will be back. Okay, so I decided to skip out on lashes and I just went ahead and applied some lipstick because I didn't receive any in this box. But I did get a lip mask and I wore it last night and it felt so nice. Like my lips weren't chapped at all in the morning and I really struggle with chapped lips, so I really like that. As for the other thing we'll use, I'm gonna go in with the Maven Beauty Rose Water Setting Spray. When I've been editing my videos recently, I've noticed that when I spray, I like brace myself, like I'm like, whereas like other people are just like do it so beautifully. It's funny because I don't even know if it smells that much like roses. Yeah, that's funny. Like it's not like the Mario Badescu one where, yeah, that's the look that I created with this box. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Make sure to subscribe and like the video. Give it a thumbs up if you liked it, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.